Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add links to your navigation on Squarespace. To start this tutorial, open squarespace.com in your internet browser. Once you're here, tap on Pages. Now wait for the website to load. Once you're here on the main navigation, you can add one for yourself. Just click on the plus sign. In here, we're going to scroll down and then look for link, because we're adding links here to our navigation. And then on the link title, it could be anything what the link is about. Could be Facebook, could be your Instagram page, could be your email, could be a form or anything. Over at the link, just copy and paste the website link of that website and then paste it here. Once you click on the gear icon, there are ways to edit it as well. It's either it opens in a new window so that another tab will appear and will not cover up your website. If it uploads a file, it can also have the option to open a new window. Just choose either it's an email, web address, file, page, or phone, depending what you need to use. Once done, click on Save on the upper left, and then click on Save once again if you're satisfied. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel.